Hello, welcome back once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get the latest and best information on how to earn online sweatlessly without breaking a sweat. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you will be linking your OG wallets. We are basically linking the core wallet to the Satoshi app. So right away, we are let's just go into the Satoshi app right here. So we click on it and then wait for it to load up. Now what is happening right now is that you probably see that there is actually nothing going on. Yes, the reason is that we just finished mining, and I'm saying this for those who may not who may be seeing the video for the first time and is wondering what's actually going on. So we just finished a mining of an airdrop, the mining of an airdrop OG. So we are waiting for another airdrop to be mined. So the link of to register in this Satoshi app will be dropped. So you need to register on this Satoshi app, create your email, create an account, do facial verification and all that, and position yourself. Just be ready for the next airdrop. All right, so let's just go into what we have for today. Now, right here is our wallet sign. Okay, so what we are going to do is to click on it, and then we look for the OG. All right, so we can see it right down here. Okay, so we simply tap on it, and then yes, it's saying link wallet address, and the wallet address we're actually going to be linking, as I mentioned earlier, is actually our core wallet. So we click on this and then we continue. Now the next thing we want to do is to go to our MetaMask and then copy the wallet address, the core wallet address. The next thing we need to do is actually to make sure that we are on the core mainnet. If you look at this, the top here, of course, if you know MetaMask very well, you know that the default network is actually the Ethereum network. Okay, but we need to change it to core mainnet network. The truth is that I've actually, if we click on this right here to bring down the various options we have, so you will notice that I've actually added the core mainnet network, okay, to my MetaMask. But just for those who didn't participate in core, okay, for those who didn't participate in core airdrop and are doing the OG, okay, probably may not know how to add the core network. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on how to add the core network for you right now. So let me just pretend that I don't have the core network. So what you want to do is to go to the browser here at the bottom. Okay, you click on that. Okay, so okay, another thing is that I've actually come to the website before now. So but in your own case, the website won't be showing like this. So you probably have to you know go to the website right here at the top here. Okay, so what you want to do is to tap on it. Okay, and then you can see, okay, let me just type it all over again. Let's do it step by step. We see core DAO, D for dog, A for ants, O for orange. Okay, so core DAO, that is core DAO.org, core DAO.org. So press on go. So that's where you want to go, and then we are there. So the next thing you want to do is to scroll down, scroll all down, until you see the MetaMask logo. Yes, so here we are, the MetaMask logo right here. Okay, so you can click on it, click on switch network. You click on switch network. So we do that right away, and then it says success, core network added to MetaMask. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to go back to your wallet right here. So you go back to your wallet, and then here we are. We've successfully added core. So you can see at the top here we have our core. Okay, our core and all the assets that are under core network. So we want to copy the core network address. So you can either click on this copy button right here, or you click on core itself. You click on core itself, scroll down, and then click on receive. Click on receive. So receive, and then you just click on copy. Okay, so it's very, very simple. And then we go to the Satoshi app to go and link or bind the wallet address. Now we are back to the Satoshi app. So what we want to do is to paste right here in this field. So we just paste the wallet address. Then the next thing is to input our asset password in the space provided below. So I'll be doing that right now. Okay, so I've inputted my password. So I click on link withdraw address. So the next thing I'm to do is to click on confirm. Okay, I click on confirm, then it will send a verification code to my email, the email I used in registering the Satoshi app. So I go and get my verification code from my email. So it has been gotten, and I simply paste it in, and then click on confirm. So it has confirmed. Now it's asking me to do my face verification, to verify my face. So I'll do that right away. So I've done my face verification. So I go ahead to click on the button right below, say OG link withdraw address. So I just go ahead with it, and then click on confirm. So OG withdraw address link is successful. All right, so that's just the way to go about it, guys. It's as simple as that. So we just finished our linking, but we are still seeing this instruction here, say link wallet address. The thing is, this app gives the opportunity to link wallet address a total of 3 times, because in case there is a mistake, you made a mistake in the process of linking your wallet address, you can easily come back and do it all over again. So that's the reason you are still seeing this link wallet address. It's not as if the first one you linked didn't work. Yes, it has worked. So far you've seen successful, linked successful, or it has gone through and all that. So it means it has worked. Another thing is, if you have not set your wallet password, talking about this side, this field, if you are here to set your wallet password, let me just quickly show you where you can set it. We go back to the wallet again, then look at this place. You click on me at the bottom right corner. Click on me, click on it, Then the next thing is to click on personal settings right here. Okay, so you click on it. Then the next thing is to set password. Set password right here. Okay, so you click on it, and then you simply set your password. So sorry, I said set asset password. Sorry, that's where you set your asset password. So if you've set your asset password before and you want to change it, you input your old password, then you put your new password, and then you confirm the new password. Okay, and then click on confirm. All right, so once you do that, you will not be able to do anything on this app again. You'll not be able to link your wallet address until after 24 hours. Peradventure you don't remember, or you are not even sure of your asset password. So what you simply do is to click on forgot password and then reset your password. Okay, reset everything. It will give you all the prompts to do so. But if you are doing it for the first time, so definitely you don't have an old password, so you just simply set your new password and confirm it, and then wait for 24 hours before you can come back and link your what is it called, link your asset password. So the next thing we want to do is actually we are going to go back to the MetaMask wallet and then input our the OG, that is the OG contract address, so that we'll be able to see the OG token in the MetaMask wallet. So what we want to do right now is to go ahead and click on import tokens here. So click on it, and then let's go to the Easy Earners Club WhatsApp group to get our OG contract address. So we are here. So what we simply need to do is to copy the contract address and then head back to our MetaMask, and then simply paste it in the token address below. We can see that the OG symbol has popped up, and then the token decimal too has also popped up. So what we just do is to go ahead and click on import right here. So we click on import, and then that's it. It's as simple as that. You can see the glyph exchange is actually an exchange token. Anyway, no wonder it didn't last long. So it's an glyph exchange OG. So that's just how to go about it. So about the contract address, you can join the Telegram group or the WhatsApp group, and you get the contract address right there. Okay, so just join it and you get the contract address in our WhatsApp or Telegram group. So that's it, guys. That's all we have for today. I hope it's very, very clear. Now you can click on the subscribe button to support this channel, and also click on like to like the video, so that the YouTube algorithm can favor the video. You can also share with your friends to help your friends out. I usually take my time to go step by step in order for everyone to understand, to carry everyone along. You understand? So another thing is, you can join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group in order for you to get fresh and quick updates about all these things. There are more programs coming up, even on Satoshi. So join the Telegram group, join the WhatsApp group for you to get quick updates, and then be part of the community. All right, thank you very much. God bless you and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video.